Hi everyone, today we're going to talk about multiplying binomials together. The goals of today's lesson are, can I multiply two binomials using the FOIL method? And then as a review from some of our previous lessons, can we classify the product of two binomials by degree and by number of terms? So let's talk about what FOIL stands for. It's an acronym. If we have two binomial expressions, we'll use this example 1 over here to talk through it as we're working through this FOIL process. The F means we're going to first multiply the first terms of each binomial. So let's set this first example up. We're going to take x plus 2 times 3x plus 4. I'm going to rewrite the problem. X plus 2, 3x minus 4. When we're multiplying the first terms, we're going to go x times 3x. It's the first term in each binomial. So x times 3x, 3x squared. The O stands for the outside terms. The terms that are on the outside of this product. That is the x and the minus 4. So we're going to go x times negative 4 and get a minus 4x. I stands for the inside terms. We're going to go 2 and 3x because they are on the inside. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 3x is just going to be 6x, so plus 6x. And then L, it's the very last part. We are going to multiply the last terms, the last of each binomial. So we're going to go 2 times negative 4, get negative 8. Now, there's a little bit more to it. Once we have done all of that, if we can, we then have to combine like terms. So in here, we do have two like terms. Those are the middle two terms. We can combine the negative 4x and the 3x. So we're going to rewrite everything right below this. We keep our 3x squared because there's nothing to combine with it. Negative 4x plus 6x makes a positive 2x. So plus 2x minus 8 because there's nothing else to combine with it. Once we've done that, we've finished multiplying. So we've finished the first part of this problem, finding the product. Now we have to classify this product by degree and number of terms. So our highest degree is a power of 2, which means that this is quadratic, if you remember that from our last lesson. And it has 3 terms, meaning it is a trinomial. So now we have done the second part of the question. So while we're at it, let's just do one more example. We're going to find the product of 3x plus 2 times 3x minus 2. So I'm going to start by rewriting 3x plus 2 times 3x minus 2, and then I'm going to go through that FOIL process. I'm going to multiply my first terms. 3x times 3x is going to give me 9x squared. Now I go with my outside terms. 3x times negative 2 gives me a minus 6x. My inside terms, 2 times 3x gives me a plus 6x. And then my last terms, I go 2 times negative 2 minus 4. Now I can combine the middle terms. So I'm going to have 9x squared. Negative 6x plus 6x is just 0x minus 4. But we don't need to write that 0x, so our answer is just going to be 9x squared minus 4. Now we have to classify it. So our highest degree is 2, which makes this quadratic. And there's two terms, which makes this a binomial. So our answer is both parts, the 9x squared minus 4 and quadratic binomial, which I spelt wrong, so let me fix that. All done. So let's just quick go over what the goals of the lesson were and talk through that with our examples. So our first goal was I can multiply two binomials using the FOIL method. If I can take and multiply the first terms, the outside terms, the inside terms, and the last terms, and then combine them, we're good there. And then classifying that product by degree and number of terms. If I can see what the highest degree is of the first term and how many terms there are, we're good to go. That wraps up our lesson on multiplying binomials.